Every day, our community clinics empower our students while improving the communities we serve. From helping people find their voices in our speech pathology clinic to offering guidance and support in our legal and tax clinics. From restoring smiles and confidence in our oral health clinic to enabling people of all ages to move pain-free through our podiatry clinic. In our occupational therapy clinic and school service, we're helping people develop the skills needed to participate in everyday life. We're enhancing mental well-being in our psychology clinic and supporting healthy lifestyles in our dietitian clinic. Our exercise physiology clinic is helping people move better and get stronger. Together, we're delivering accessible, life-changing care to those who need it most. Every year, our clinics help over 5,000 community members across 12,400 sessions. These are more than clinics. They're living, caring classrooms where students gain practical experience, guided by experts. Through our community clinics, we're bettering the region while preparing the next generation of professionals. We are proudly a university of and for our regions.